Distance should not be a barrier for healing. If you are not able to come to us in India, we are coming closer to you in the USA. Kaivalyadhama is happy to offer few of our very popular workshops in California in April and May this year. Our one-week retreat on managing autoimmune disorders has made a positive and significant impact on many people who are suffering from autoimmune conditions. Our other unique workshop on creating harmony in relationships introduces you to the principles and practices from yoga, which will provide you the toolkit to develop happier relationships with people in your life. And our full moon retreat on recalibrating emotions will penetrate your physical, energetic, mental, emotional and spiritual layers. So choose the workshop which will help you meet your goals with the science and tradition of yoga from India, offered in the beautiful forests of California. Looking forward to see you. Thank you.